The final one being outdoor education, and we chose climbing instructor for this. The role of a climbing instructor is to provide expert training for your participants in climbing, where you will need to know training for all different abilities. The participants you will be at different abilities. You will be assisting them in the skills they are developing, ensuring that all safety policies are put in place beforehand for the session, and that all participants know fully what they are doing. And you'll have to take lead at all times during the session so that you can get done what's needed, but also so they know that they what they need to do and all the right techniques for safety reasons on the participants' benefits. The average yearly salary for a climb instructor varies between £12,000 to £30,000, with working 36 to 38 hours to get to this work. It takes me about 30-minute bus journey. As a climb instructor, I wouldn't have a range of knowledge on trainings for the participants, so that would be a big problem for me, and I would have to learn them. So I could only do as much as I've learned with assisting them, and do as much as possible. But I'd do as much as possible. I'd put a risk assessment in beforehand to stop anyone from getting hurt or injured in my sessions. The salary isn't very good yearly, as it only comes up to a maximum 30,000 a year. Yeah, however, it's only a 30-minute bus journey away from me, which isn't too bad and is still local to me and is in Brighton. As a specialist in as a climbing instructor, you need to be able to take lead in the activity and be the leader, especially that people may not know what they're doing in climbing and may not have done the activity before, as it is not the most popular sport compared to something like football. When explaining things, you will have to be good at explaining in full detail and guiding them with any help they need, so that you don't risk giving them wrong information and leading them into doing something risky that could result in injury. With this, you will also need to be strict for safety reasons, but also be social with them and be nice and caring towards all participants, and have a good balance so that your participants will enjoy being there and will feel welcome when they're there. The last thing is you need to you need to you need to have a professional attitude at all times to your participants for appearance reasons and so that they feel safe under your supervision. I feel that I'm a good leader and will lead my group well, where I will explain everything in full detail of everything I know, where I will have to be strict and keep safety precautions in place, but not too full on to them so they feel comfortable in the environment and enjoying being there. I also have good social skills, so I will get on well with them and be friendly towards all of them, but will still keep my act in place and be professional at all times so they feel safe being led by me.